Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a question many first-time buyers and investors ask. Should you buy land or buy a home? While both can be great investments, they serve very different purposes and come with different financial considerations. Let's start with buying a home. When you purchase a home, you're typically buying a move-in ready property. Traditional mortgage options are widely available, and many buyers can qualify with lower down payments compared to land loans. You'll also have a better understanding of the property's value because there are often comparable sales in the area. The biggest advantage? Immediate use. You can move in, rent it out, or begin building equity right away. Now let's talk about purchasing land. Buying land offers flexibility and opportunity. You can build your dream home, develop a business property, start a farm, or hold the land as a long-term investment. However, land purchases often require larger down payments and different financing options. You'll also need to consider additional costs such as surveys, permits, utility connections, site preparation, and zoning requirements. Another important factor is timeline. When you buy land, it may take months or even years before development begins. With a home purchase, you can often occupy the property immediately after closing. So how do you decide? Ask yourself these questions. What are my long-term goals? Do I want immediate housing or future development opportunities? What is my budget? Can I afford additional development costs? Am I comfortable navigating permits, zoning, and construction processes? For some people, buying a home provides stability and convenience. For others, land offers greater flexibility and long-term growth potential. Neither option is automatically better. The right choice depends on your goals, finances, and vision for the future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is considering buying property. And tell me in the comments, if you had the choice today, would you buy land or a home? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.